Hello YouTube. Well, I'm videoing this for a friend of mine since he couldn't make it, but I'm picking this up for him. This is the Old Craftsman. I believe this would be the equivalent to a GT3000, but it doesn't have a name tag on it. It hasn't run in about 8 years. It's just been sitting here. I am now noticing that I'm going to be really worried about the gas tank because there's no cap there. Or it's open for water, whatever you want to say. But it hasn't run in a long time. I see it's missing what looks like the PTO switch. This is the famous one that was full from this. As you can see, it sort of exploded there on the ground. So let's get that out of the way. Nothing coming out yet. That's good. I think the battery's under the hood. Yeah, I did on this one. It's a Craftsman model 917 dirty 917-273061. I am really worried about there being water in this tank. There isn't. Damn. Obviously it's an old hydro job. Seat's still in real nice shape. The hood isn't mounted, I just got it slapped on there. I'll have to find out how that goes back on. I think it's just a couple of bolts. I know the story on this. Well, what I was told, she's been ripped apart a bit, I see. But I was told the story on this is the deck is bad. And you know, I can't see that it looks all that bad. I see the blade sitting on it and blah blah blah, but you know, to me, she don't look all that bad. But I really don't know. See, if somebody's been at it before and started just randomly taking things apart. Here's a relay. Something I don't know. I think everything's there that we need to make it run. She still turns. Yeah, still has an amp meter. Didn't know they had those. Those motors just new. So we're gonna video the entire process of getting her out of here for a friend of mine. He was supposed to be here, but he had to work. You know, so I'm gonna do this for him. Take a lot more air than those little ones. Well, so far it's passing all the tests. The tires are taking air. That's what the inside of the air filter looks like. Yeah, a little shitty, but I haven't seen it. Well, oh yep, there's a mess right there. A branch or something. Take crap out of there. Rust from old 11 holes. Get out of there. Damn mice. Yeah, might need an air filter, but that's nothing major. She always hadn't turned over in a long time. Look at the moss in there. Yeah, pretty clean. A little bit of crap down there from something or another. All in all, it doesn't look too bad. I like this tractor, but I brought enough up to Alfred already. I don't need this thing. Actually, I was originally planning on taking it to Alfred and just using it for a basher. But then I talked to a friend and he said, hey, I'd like a little thing to plow with. And you gotta make up a little plow for it, so. I originally said the Scots would probably be good, but then I remembered this thing and she's pretty heavy for a Craftsman, so. Well, that all looks good. Good enough to run. I know these motors are famous for hucking rods and all that shit, but he ain't doing anything heavy. Hey, it's got hydraulic lifters. How do you like that? I wonder if they still work. I just went out and ordered one of them battery minder to sulfators, so all the crappy batteries out here, the guy said I can take them, so hell, we'll see if we can get some to come back to life. Now, you know, I think I'm gonna do that. Let's see if we can fire it up around the saw. Okay, YouTube, we're back. I dumped a whole crap load of water out of the tank. Bunch of gas moved around. I'm a little scared to be trying to jump it again, but bush. I can't believe it. Stay running, old girl. Oh. I think I know where moving. Steer, old girl. Nice steering. Plowing some things out of the way with the deck. Don't mind me. Sounds good. Really good, actually. Shame nothing's working. wagon. Everything's working. Damn, this isn't bad at all. I'm not a big fan of the tractor's design, but she's putting along pretty good. Oh, there go the blades. This is impressive. Have to get some of the electrical system working. It has Smart Spark, apparently. Whatever that is. Even have reverse. Slow reverse. I'm gonna give him a call.